Hype, guys, we are pumping 46.5 and change. We're moving. We're going 48K in sight. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Do you like it? 48K, our target for over a year at this point. Overdue. 46.8, we're hitting 47. Let's go. Let's go. It's hard to be pumped when you're sitting. How did I stream and sit for so many? All right, microphone maintenance by Tom Craig. All right, it's back. Maybe. I don't trust this. It's right over my nuts too. If this thing drops, I'm boned. Boned. All right, let's see. Let's zoom in, see where we're at. Let's actually go back to today's TA. Let's see where we were. See where we're at here. So far, 46.8. I guess we didn't even hit 47. It seemed like it was moving so fast. Felt like we were already at 48 or 47. Hourly, we've reached up above January 2nd, the high of the year, right before the crash. We have now retraced that entire crash. Doesn't really look like we're in danger of any high trend lines here either. I think we're cleared. Yeah, we're clear. We're clear. Closed today above 46.2, looking pretty fresh for Bitcoin. Currently battling at 46.6, and the spice is palpable. These sell-offs just getting bought up. The 1 minute candle here gave us a little downside. 5 minutes still battling to close green with 2 minutes left. I don't know what's stopping it. I don't know what could be in the way at this point. Flat top, baby. Flat top. Lows coming up. They doubted it. Doubted it. They doubted us at 15K, at 30K, and again at 45K. It has not worked out well for them. Not worked out well. Doesn't even want to close. Gotta close this. hours on the treadmill, trying to keep that energy up. And nothing could make it easier than Bitcoin pumping to new 2024 highs. 48K in target finally after all this time. What will happen at 48K? I do not know, and I hope that we just keep on going. This cycle shaping up to be nothing like the previous cycles. I like it. I like it. 46.7 hanging out. 13 minutes left on the hour with a very strong candle right here. 45.6 to open now at 46.6 with 13 minutes left. Call your bear friends. Call your bear friends. Check in on them. It's not going to be a good day at the bear dome. They're not going to be having a party. Not going to be having a good time. We'll send them our well wishes. Bring it up. Bring it up. Little bear div on the 1 minute here. Didn't quite reach a higher high in RSI with that move. Not the end of the world. Nothing too worrying. The 5 minutes says ignore that. Doesn't matter. Getting all kinds of alerts. I can't keep up today, man. My phone is just buzzing. Pickle is texting. I swear to God, if that echo is back, I will murder. Okay, good. The echo's not back. Thank you. I fixed it, dude. I loosened it too much, and so it's like a ball joint, and it like snaps onto it, and I loosened it too much, and it didn't want to re-screw, but I got it. That was, I'm surprised it didn't happen at the start of the stream earlier, in the first stream, because we had all the problems then. Here we go. We have 2 red candles, just like the last 5-minute candle. 2 reds right on the open. This 5-minute candle now. 2 minutes to go. If it's to repeat the last 5 minute, we will see a rally and a run up in the next 120 seconds. Looks like it's happening right in front of our eyes, doesn't it? Go. Just get to 48K. I'm going to be so relieved. I've been waiting and waiting and waiting. Waiting. Love the trades here. Let me check in on the trades. I did a little bit FOMO, maybe market order degen, a little bit of a position here after the live. Just adding to that long, I put my stop right at 45.8 and it just went straight up since. 0.75 Bitcoin long, so that is a healthy $35,000 position here. Bitcoin CME. Oh wait, also, I opened this Litecoin long, 41% up. Suck it, haters. Anyway. CME. CME breaking to new highs here. CME at 47.4. CME is tickling the 48K mark. It feels so good. Feels so good. It's like readjust all this because I'm sitting. Lights down here are a little more shadowy. Whatever. Went right back down. Go. There we are. CME pushing higher. Let's check out the CME chart. What's going on? CME right back at May's highs, 48.3 thousand. Looking much more bullish. CME and GBTC to me just look so bullish. They're much more of like a V-shaped bottom. They're much more reverse, like V-shaped reversal. More serious biz reversal. None of this like kinda, maybe, eventually. Like that is a chart with its mind made up right here. Boom low, boom up, very little pullback. GBTC may be looking to retest the all-time high, which is crazy. Does not look like there's much in the way. We have the monthly chart pulled up here. We are past $31. That was our previous resistance on the month. We got nothing till the all-time high. Just underneath $50. That is 30% gain for GBTC. Wild. I was gonna tweet this, but maybe I'll test run it here on the stream. By the way, guys, just because it's our second stream of the day doesn't mean you shouldn't be subscribing. I see Lori and Shonik subscribed, and you, Lori, are the best. Be like Lori. Join our fam. I was going to share this on Twitter, but I guess I'll just test run it with you guys. I don't know the wording yet, but something like this. Okay, not the color I wanted, but it's a color we'll stick with, I guess. Now we're going black. There we go. So you shorted the golden cross on the day. You shorted the golden cross on the day. And then you shorted the golden cross on the week. How did that go for you, Anon? How are those lagging indicators? How are those inverse signals? How are those? You're supposed to. It goes down when there's a golden cross. It goes up when there's a death cross. How's that working out for you? I don't like to like kind of twist the fork like that. But we got so much shit about pointing out these freaking crosses, and now back to back we have seen moves on them. It feels good, fam. Feels good. Feels good. Not too bad. A little satisfying. A little redeeming. I have to make this look more in your face than it is, but I'll work on that. I'll tweet it soon. Tweet it soon. Back to the Bitcoin. Dang, 5 minute didn't close green. That's all right. It's not the end of the world. But we had been seeing these 5 minutes really run up into the last minutes there. 15-minute checking in. A little bit of red, but still so far just up. No real retracement yet. From our very lowest low. Not bad. 0.5 retraces sitting right there at the previous all-time high, or previous 2024 high. Can I connect that? Yes, I can. There it is. Right there. 45.9. Viewers. Holy shit. It's not even Chirpow. It's not even a Chirpow day. We got that on the 31st. We're sitting here hoping this little short gets wrecked. Right there at the entry now. Right there at the entry. Just guessing at the top. Didn't say this was a good trade. I just threw it up. I'm not taking it. And in fact, I should probably, because there's people tuning in all the time with this many, probably should share. Earlier, if you weren't here, I did share the modified trades I made today, and I added rather heavily to the long right here, 45.8, something like that. So I'm not really looking to take that short personally. It turned out to be a good trade. Not really personally looking to take it. My entry on my short's 44.3, so that's quite underwater. Quite underwater, 21%. However, the long position's clearly making up for those losses. Clearly making up for those losses. Damn, that was a good trade. That ad that I did right before, that I did in between the last live just a little bit ago and now, that ad is already up $500, I think. There's half a Bitcoin, prices moved to $1,000. Should be a 500 P&L in just a few minutes. Crypto's wild. Crypto's a wild ride. Wild ride. Ugh. Real quick rant. I like this new setup of the microphone. It's going to take forever to get used to. Only problem is because it's not so dynamic. I find myself like leaning forward, and it makes me look like an old man. Gotta remember to get that posture. Can do. Lean it back, baby. Lean it back. There we go. Take a little relaxation. Taking it back. Energies are high. Bitcoin is moving. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Moonshot Monday. Let's go, Brennan. What's up, Jay Davis? Jason Casper's stream just ended. Shout out to Jason Casper. Go subscribe to that man. He's a great trader. One of the few people on YouTube that I really, truly respect. Good news for us that he ended his stream, though. Not a bad time. If I'd been on for a while, I probably would end it, too. But great timing for us. Welcome. Roll on over. Roll on over to the Tom Crown side of things. Here we go. That theoretical short hopefully getting wrecked. What's up, Trick Shots? When Bitcoin retraces, alts will have a nice kick. Typically, it's after Bitcoin makes its move and settles down a little bit, starts trading sideways. Usually when we see alts really flex. Can I move this up? There we go. There it is. Much better. Jumped over from the Casper stream. Well, I love Jason Casper. If you like Jason Casper's content, you missed it. I did the treadmill earlier, though, so sorry. I won't be able to treadmill for you right now. My legs are beat. I did way too much. Way too much treadmilling. But I'm stoked for this energy. I'm stoked for all the new people. The space is alive again, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's take a look at some data here really quick. I want to check funding rate. Getting into bearish territory on funding rate. And when I say that, we are very, 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 very shallowly into that territory. Hardly at all. But leaning into bearish as funding is moving above 0.01. You can see it climbing. I love what I'm seeing on super charts. I'd be curious to hear what Casper said. Because I know my man Casper loves CVD, loves open interest, etc. CVD climbing. Higher highs. On price moving up. We are zoomed in here, so be aware. On the 5-minute. Higher highs on CVD. Funding moving up. Open interest, actually, this is a little bit of a kicker. Didn't see this drop here. What happened? Shorts liquidated. Damn. $28 million short liquidated in this 5-minute candle. Open interest was climbing with price, which was extremely bullish, especially coupled with a climbing CVD. Now, with this one candle of open interest dropping, yeah, it's not what I would have liked to see. Let's see on the hour. Yeah, on the hour you can see a little toppy on open interest. Not what I would like to see. This large amount of short liquidations, looks like 50 million in this hourly candle, likely a driving factor in the rally. We're seeing some piece of a squeeze. However, the only positive thing about that squeeze is CVD also climbing, and CVD has not been climbing during these rallies lately. That is showing us that there is spot backing to this rally. This rally is not just a short squeeze, though it does seem to be, at least at this point, kind of using it as fuel. I should have tuned into Casper right after the live. Should have heard what he was looking at. What was he looking at? Is your short getting wrecked like mine? Oh, yeah, baby. Riggedy wrecked me, bud. It's all right. Park Bench, really glad you found the channel. Just tell you when to jump out. Oh, buddy. If I knew that, Park Bench, man, I wouldn't be on YouTube. If I knew when to be in and out of the top and the bottom, man, I'd be on an island somewhere. But I do my best. I will say, as well, what you should know about me if you aren't so familiar with this channel, I am the bull. So logically, there will be a time where I'm still bullish and the market isn't. I don't think that time is right now, but that will happen down the road. You just need to be aware of it. Because for me, I'll ride Bitcoin all the way back down, all the way back up. I've done it over and over again. I don't really have any interest in selling the top. Hopefully I can take some profits. But I'm not trying to be all out. I'm never going to be all out in Bitcoin, ever. I take some profits here and there, but I'm never all out, man. My life is a trend line of stacking sats. I don't ever want that to go down. Selling it is too hard. What's up, The Mist? You missed this? Well, you are The Mist. Makes sense. Does make sense. 5-minute little bullish engulf on the... A little bullish engulf. Actually, pull the chart back up. Let's see how that short's going. A little bullish engulf there on the 5-minute close. Higher high even into this candle. That's short. Not stopped out yet. Again, this was, like I said, catching a knife to the upside. Could work out. I'm not taking the trade, but it might prove to be a decent one. If anything, I added to my long, and I am coasting, baby. Coasting. Selling is hard, squashbuckling. It's hella hard. Flagging? Could be. You call that a flag. It's not really a flag, though. If I had to honestly identify on the 1 minute what pattern I see, it would just be another one. Seems we keep painting these flat top patterns over and over and over again. This is now like my favorite chart. Where did this go? This is now my favorite chart. 1 minute fractal predicting Bitcoin breaking its 2024 high. Wild. Earlier in the stream, in the previous stream, we looked at this. Can't believe that played out. Holy shit. Make it real, baby. Make it real. And here we are. Here we are at 47. And price isn't getting smashed. We're not seeing huge sell orders come in. We're not seeing spooky price action. We're seeing like relative acceptance. Here's what I would be afraid of as we move up. Moving up and just getting a candle like this. So far, not seeing it. The hourly did just close right now. Oof. 15 minutes settled up green after all that red, making it just another in this string of green. 8 15-minute candle closes in a row. I don't love, though, that we have a large-bodied candle into a small-bodied candle. That can suggest exhaustion of the trend. You can see how the small candle body also makes it very easy to bearish engulf in the next candle. Got 10 minutes to go. Price is holding up well. I'm feeling good. What do you guys think? Let's check this poll. 1,000 votes on the poll. Hell yeah, dude. I'm loving all the fucking people here and all the hype today. I wish I hadn't streamed earlier so I could have all my energy. I asked, where will Bitcoin top out today? 21% of us saying 47, 37 saying 48, 22 saying 50, and 20% of us saying above 50K. We have a split audience. That's rare. That's very evenly split. 48K favored over the others, but the rest, basically 20%, 20%, 20%, 40%. Unusual for us. Unusual. You need a nice thick body. That's right, Brennan. You need that. You need the curves. You need that thick curves. Geoff Brayshaw. Subscribed 3 minutes ago. I missed it, man. Replay that for you. Geoff, my guy. If you're out there and you haven't subscribed, get your name. Get your name up in the middle of the screen and announce to the world that you're part of the Crown fam. Let me shout you out. Let me shout you out. I made it bigger just for you guys. Let me shout you out. Just subscribe. You deserve it. What does my Litecoin take profit? I didn't even set one, baby. If you want to know honestly where I want to take profit on that, $100. $100. I haven't set it yet though. I just had the stop on it. Flat top, that's right, Rob. That flat tippy top. Eric Leon is expecting a 20% correction. 20% from here would be just under $10,000. Like 9,500. Bring us to like 35K. Is that real? Down here? It's not a bad target. It's not a bad target. Honestly, the way I see it right now, $30.5 does not look like it's coming, does it? 30.5 really does not look like it wants to be here anymore. But if it comes, as someone who has had years and years and years to stack Bitcoin and has done just that, I will buy if we hit 30.4, 30.5. I will place a large buy limit order. If it doesn't come, I'll cancel it. Whatever. No harm, no foul. But that's it. I'm not trying to buy up here. It is dangerous to buy up here. Everyone is in a different position. Everyone's had different amounts of time to stack Bitcoin. Everyone has different amounts they've gotten into the space, if they're comfortable with it or not. So there is no one answer. But an answer I can give you guys absolutely with confidence. Not financial advice. It's my life success advice. Is right now whether or not we continue higher or we do get that 20% Eric Leon's looking for, 40%, whatever people are looking for. Whatever happens, right now would be an exceptional time, if you haven't, to begin DCAing. Exceptional. The mindset, the double reinforced mindset that you can have right here. Think of it this way. If you start DCAing today, your first buy is here at 47. That might feel bad if it goes down. But if you're DCAing, you want it to go down because you want to buy lower. If you start DCAing here and it doesn't go down, then you basically just start DCAing at like the bottom, right? This certainly, in my opinion, isn't the bottom. But it's very win-win right here. We're right at a pivot. 48K has been our target. For those of you who aren't familiar with this channel, we have been calling for 48,000 on Bitcoin since 2022 wrapped up. Over a year, when everyone was bearish, everyone thought it was going to 10K. We were saying 48. This is the pivot, the absolute pivot. I have a little anxiety about what happens at 48K still. I have a little anxiety. I don't know. Because initially, the projection of 48K then was followed by a heavy retracement. You can say, why did you change that, or why don't you think that? Well, there are a few factors. 48K, I expected to happen much faster than it did. It still hasn't happened yet, right? Technically, we're only at 47. The amount of time that took does change the chart. It does change the way I look at it. Because the 48K back down to like 25K was based on the previous cycle's model. However, this doesn't look anything like the previous cycle. This is very efficient price action. This is creating support, testing resistance, testing support, breaking resistance, consolidating, building. This is a healthy climb. We have some inefficiency here. This will pop up in October, but this is all, again, pretty efficient price action. So that model that was looking for 48 to 25 or whatever, like a 40-50% retracement, was based on something that it looks nothing like. So maybe it's time to deviate. It's based on this. Inefficiency, efficiency, inefficiency, efficiency, inefficiency. Very, very different climb. Very, very different climb. I may have to revise it. I don't, not ready for it yet. I want to see 48. I want to see 48 hit. When 48 hits, I'll reevaluate. And boys, it could happen today. It could happen in this stream. It could happen right here with all of our fam. We can watch it together. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed this short doesn't work. It's pretty funny in TA when you get to the point when you want to be wrong. You're like, no, man, I don't want it to do that, but that's what I think it's going to do. This short looks nuked. Let's go. What do you guys think? Dump it, says Jeanette. Dump it! Pump it. Wreck my short. Wreck it. 48-1, that's where it's heading, says Cisco. Wrecked. Wrecked. Good. Good luck with 30k BTC Dream Tech. Good luck indeed. Tim says he sees a retracement to 30. Of course it's possible, man. Of course it is. Of course it is. This climb, though, has just been nothing like I expected. Nothing like it. I'm just not as confident. I was so confident in it January. Whoa. Okay. It bugged out. Oh, okay, I see why. This is why. So confident in the beginning of the year. Now, I don't know, man. I just got to see what happens at 48. If we go past 48 and consolidate, keep going, whatever. But if we move up to 48 and just see kind of something like this, discounts. We'll see discounts. Here we go. 47.2. We're moving up again. 48K. Let's fucking go. Let's go. Oh my God. It has been so long. So long. Oh my God. Bring it. Bring it. Bring the spice. What's up, Super Bird? 5 billion subscribed. I'll make this smaller. Bam! Bam C. Daniel subscribing during the pump. The best time to subscribe. Just Marco. What's up, guy? Eric P. Michael N. Geoff. I already got Geoff. Keep them coming, boys. Keep them coming. We're going to hit 100K. Now the race is really on. We're racing Bitcoin to 100K. Subscribers versus price. We're at 90,500. We've had a lot of viewers today. Maybe we can put a dent in that. We're at 90.6. 90.6. Baby, we were sub 90. Feels like just yesterday. This update's in real time, by the way. So go ahead, subscribe. Watch it roll over. Here we go. Less than 10,000. Feels good. Bitcoin's getting to 48. We're reaching 100. Good times. Good times. The best times shared with fam and friends right here. Can't pronounce that name. But welcome, our friend. I don't know how to say it. Jordan Wiley subscribing, making it easier. I can pronounce that. What's up, Jordan? Up. Prosperity Fund. Buy the rumor, sell the news. I am curious as well. I've had a lot of curiosities around the whole ETF. Thoughts. Don't blow your load. Don't blow your load, Tom. It's already blown, Shroot. Full bust. Full bust. That's why I'm not standing up. Full bust. Putting that away. Still there. Looking like this. Just kind of like cruising, coasting. Coasting, cruising. Where's my volume? I need volume on this. Looking for a big volume candle, potentially with a wick high to give us some insight as to if the rally is over. So far, not yet. Looking at volume on the 1 minute, we're very zoomed in. But looking at volume on the 1 minute, we're seeing high volume candles match up with moves to the upside that have sustained or continued. And to me, that's showing some that's buying, baby. Bullish volume. Not a lot of volume here. What I'm going to be keeping an eye for, what I was just saying, something like this, if we had this red wick top candle, if this volume had come up, that would be a very clear exhaustion sign, but we don't have it yet. Not yet. It's an ugly 15. Still respecting the previous 15-minute low. Respecting the last 15-minute low. Just a hair underneath those 46.8. Just a hair. 1 minute reversing. 1 minute reversing. 48K is on the way. And fossil finance J. We need some protesters. Why don't we have any protesters in this stream? Nothing better than some protesters. Yelling about fossil finance. Mark Johnson, 100K, $1 million by Friday. Mark Johnson, maybe the only human more bullish than I. Look for $1 million by Friday, goddamn. You know who the bag holders are when they sell below previous all-time high? True. True, true. True, true. What's up, Dow? What's up, Nazar? Teresh Quach, LFG Dab, I like it. David Gelfond, there's the resistance at 52. Let's look at 52. Let's look at 52. Where's 52? Well, 52K is here. Could be some. There could be some. I mean, I wouldn't worry about it being the biggest resistance in the world, but you do have this swing low. That is where we rejected in December. I'm more focused on 48. This is the visible high. The visible high right there. It's also reflected on the month. Fam, are the good old days coming back, or is it still far away? I'm so reluctant. I'm so reluctant to just give in to the vibe that the good times are back. Like these times, these were awesome times on the stream. We streamed all the way through this. I started streaming actually right here. That's right. The channel's birthday is May. Right here. That was some spooky time. Can you imagine starting streaming? Price goes up 160%. And then within a year, it goes down 72%. We longed as fuck. Anyway, this was wild. Is this starting up again? It feels like too good to be true. But honestly, even if it was a year from now or 2 years from now, it'd still feel too good to be true. The good times are just too good, man. They're too good. Give in to your desires, because baby, it's cold outside. Your birthday's in May? Well, happy birthday in May. It's autopilot. Bitcoin's going up forever, says Brendan. I agree. But it also will go down. It'll go up These live videos when the bull is charging is great. More of these. Hey, hey, you don't have to ask me, man. Tell Bitcoin. Tell Bitcoin. Don't tell me. Nathaniel Bender, how centralized does Bitcoin become with the spot ETF? Centralization and decentralization are much more complex topics than most people are aware of. An ETF is a centralizing force, obviously. The fact that there's multiple ETFs is actually kind of good and more, or I guess less centralizing than the like maybe one ETF provider. It does. It leads to centralization of supply. There will be one entity or a few entities that are going to stack supply, and they do it on behalf of others, so that is centralizing. But that's not the only element of centralization. And in fact, I would say it's the least important or least meaningful aspect of centralization is someone buying a lot of it and it being centralized. Like it's centralizing, right? What would be more centralizing would be if instead of ETFs, BlackRock and whatever started giant Bitcoin mines, right? If the world's biggest Bitcoin mine, that would be more centralizing. That would centralize the network more. You could argue that it would actually decentralize it. I don't want to get into it. But it's an interesting question. I hear a lot of people talking about it, saying, oh, this is Satoshi would roll over in his grave if he heard of an ETF. Dude, no, he wouldn't. This is all part of the plan, baby. All of this is part of the plan. If you think Satoshi would hate this or that, dude, you don't think that the people that created Bitcoin thought of these things. You really think they said, oh, it might become the world's biggest asset, but didn't cross their mind that there'd be governments holding and buying it? That an ETF might happen? No, dude. Silly. It's silly. Your question's not silly and your statement's not silly. But like these concepts can get so silly. It is so easy to get out of the realm of reality and into the realm of FOMO and FUD. And that's why we have this channel. We are the battlefront. We are the Bastion? Boon? I don't know. I can't find my words. We are the fortress against FUD and FOMO. We keep it real. We keep it emotionless. We keep it robotic. That's why people come here year over year. Dropping soon. Porto Santo says 14 minutes until drop. That is very specific, my friend. I mean, you're not wrong. It is dropping. What's up, ZB Cooper? I see you over there, ZB. What up, brother? Nico De Grief. I love all these subscribers, guys. Don't let the energy stop. The more you guys engage with the stream, the more you subscribe while we're live, the more you comment in the live chat, like the stream, share it, the more engagement the stream has. And when the engagement is high, YouTube says people are enjoying this piece of content, so I'm going to show it to more people. I'm going to increase its reach. So by doing those things, you are helping this live stream succeed in real time. It's not placebo, and I appreciate you. Keep it up, fam. Bitcoin with its first red, little ready red sauce here, 46.7. I wonder if anything is really going to look here. No, nothing's going to line up here. Maybe. I think I'm cherry picking here. We're on the 1 minute. I'm zooming in on the 1 minute, putting a fib. Yeah, it's probably cherry picking. Probably cherry picking. Gotta catch yourself sometimes. All right. RSI flying down. I'll take it. Pretty gnarly 15-minute candle. We've seen a few of these candles look real bad and then change up. We have 50 seconds. I'm not going to hold my breath that in the next 45 seconds it moves back up to 47.2. But we've already seen bigger moves than that today in a smaller time period, so it is possible. It is possible. Let me see if I can put any rhyme to the reason here. Nothing. I don't believe this low. I don't believe it. What's up, Kevin Tijoff? How you doing, bro? Thanks for subscribing. All the new viewers and subscribers, welcome to our fam. Make sure you jump in the Discord. This is not a normally timed stream. We did 2 streams today, and the best way to know when we are going live for the bullish pumpy spice is by being in the Discord. There you go, links in the chat. Check out all the links in the video description below. 1 minute RSI pulled down past our low back here. We're going to be finding bullish divergence. That is the tip off. Our low in RSI all the way down here, 44.8 in price. We are now lower, yet price only reaching 46.6. Nice little bull div on the 1. Nice little bull divvy on the 1. We're going to get into like way too low time frame TA, but I don't care. I'm not afraid of it. I ain't afraid of no low time frame TA. I don't even know if I have time to place this before it happens. I did it. I placed it. That was quick. That was hella quick. It was placed. Quick done. We got wrecked on a short. Should have gone long. Should have gone long. I won't get the fill. Maybe I will. I'm checking back in on. I gotta keep looking at these positions, man. Gotta keep looking at the positions here. I can't believe I got away with this. I can't believe I got away with that long, man. Look at, you can see where I added it. Like, right here. It was like 45.9. And I was like, alright, you had a little low. You came back up. It was a late long, too, for me. I usually would be looking along in a pullback instead of a move back up. I got so lucky. I got so lucky there. Scalping off a cool few hundo in just about an hour time frame. Stop unhit 45.7. Whole position 7.5 Bitcoin. Should check back in on Litecoin. Yeah. In the Litecoin here in a sec. Here we go. This is pretty much all the positions I have. I have some other exchanges that have stuff, but they all reflect this. I've had the same game plan since last year, all throughout this year, and that was hella long. Hella overly long until 48K. This is why I'm having mixed feelings, guys. Till 48K, and you can see right here, not only am I adding to the short at 48, take profit, I'm closing up that long at 48. I'm not touching my spot. I'm not selling spot at 48. Hell no. Hell no. You don't, in Bitcoin, you don't sell before the all-time high. That's silly. But I'll close out my longs, as was my plan for over a year that I've shared with you guys many times. I will have no longs leveraged open at 48. I will have a head short. I'll see how large that gets by the time we get there. But that doesn't mean I'm not bullish. This is just my game plan. And in trading, we preach this constantly. The most important thing to trading is to have a plan. That is it. Even if it's a bad plan. Even if it's a bad plan. Having a plan is so important. The next most important thing is sticking to that plan. That's the hard part. That's the hard part. I don't want to. I want to leave those longs open. You know, I want to just have them open forever and flex in people's faces about how my longs are so much better, how my longs are so much bigger. You know I want to, but I'm going to stick to my plan. Every single time in the history of my trading that I have made a plan like this and then not stuck to it, I've gotten bit. Every time I've gotten burned with 100% consistency, like every single time. Oh, I must try to type in my 2FA into the, one sec. Logging into FEMX. By the way, side with FEMX, our sponsor. I don't even know if I said anything about it in the stream. My #1 crypto trading platform. Great exchange. Love these positions. There's a few more trade skis. Here's a few more. Ooh. Ooh. The long is now up. Over 1,000%. Oh, I have to tweet it. I gotta tweet it. If you have a trade and it's successful and you don't tweet it, did you even trade? Did you even win? Wow, 1,000%. That's the first. This is the first it's gotten to 1,000%. 16.5, baby. Proof. I got the receipts. I'm sure every YouTuber is saying they've been bullish since 15K. Sure. Yeah, a bunch of bullshit. They're all yelling 10. But do they have the receipts? That's the question. Nah, I ain't got the receipts. Ape. Man, this I should have closed this a long time ago. This long on Ape. It's at $1.40. Didn't I trade like $2? What was I doing? A nice 10, 11 grandy in profits. I want to close. I want to just close it and take the profit. I want to close it, take the profit, and buy myself something. But I'll wait for 48. I wonder what the difference is if I just closed it now versus 48. Actually, let's look. 48. 7,850. What's it currently at? 7,500. So the difference would be $300. I should close it. I don't care about $300. Nope, stick to the plan. See, guys, this is it. You can be trading for years and years and years. You can be streaming live trades for years. And you still have these feelings. You still have that, maybe I should close it. Maybe I should close it early. Maybe I should open it early. Can't do it. Got to catch yourself. Got to. Only you can hold yourself accountable. You and if you joined something like the patron group, you can have some friends that can help hold you accountable. It's a good deal. Coming up on the phone. Actually, 10. We have the same conflicting thing again. We have a higher high in money flow and VWAP coming down. Or chill. Pepe 96,000. That's a really good kind of mini lesson. If you've never been in the crypto bull run, or you really didn't do a lot of trading in it, that is one of the biggest traps. One of the biggest traps is winning a trade and then somehow beating yourself up and feeling like you've lost. You won the trade. Walk away. I could have gotten more if I would have held on to that million X position, I would have made $1 trillion. Yeah, dude. Nope. You won, walk away. Find the next one. That's it. It's that easy. It is crazy how many people lose money because of that very thing. Look at this. This was the best call of the live stream. This is the second live stream today. This was the best call. It was a bunch of gibberish, but it was the best call. Not only did we nail the price action in stream, we nailed the new 2024 high using some janky-ass technical analysis that I made up. But it worked. Oh, did you fade the golden cross on the weekend? No, you sold because the ETF is coming out? Alright, I should stop. When you get that energy, it's like always about to get bad for you. I don't want to put that bad juju out. 5 minute wrapping up. RSI in the 15, staying overbought. That's what I want. Keep it cooking. I'm actually surprised at how little this is retraced in this 15. I placed it up here at 47, but I was actually thinking 47, 180. Where are my gains? I guess it was like, now we have to come back and fill your trade. Ooh. Can some of the Jason Casper fans in here, can they confirm, is this Sam Bankman-Fried's soggy, uneven butt cheeks? Would that be a Jason Casper call? Is that confirmed? Still can go to 110? Sure, man. Sure can. What's up, Shrink Tech? How you doing, Shrink Tech? We need the pump song. You guys want to hear Mortals? Put 1 in the chat if you want me to play Mortals. See how many. I've decided we're going to do a lot of things by mini votes like that. We got 1. Mine doesn't count. We got 2, we got 3, we got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, wow. Okay. Should I just have that on repeat while I stream? Like, not gonna lie, that song slaps so hard. I found that song like 4 years ago. And one of the most epic moments on this channel, actually. We were blasting it. I have to find it. I should bookmark it, huh? Here we go. I need an assistant while I'm live. You're right, it's pump time. Let me get the pump song. I need an assistant, though, to help me. Like Pickle, I should be like, Pickle! And then Pickle should be like, I'm playing it. Commander. You can call me Commander for some reason. You know what else he could say? He could say Goliath Online. Goliath Online. Who used to play StarCraft? Who played StarCraft? Who remembers Goliath Online? I used to do all the StarCraft voices when I first started streaming. And people loved it. People still remember it. People still comment about it. To this day, years later. Are you ready for the pump song? Are you ready to pump? You're ready. But Zeus isn't ready. Zeus is not ready. You dare. You dare. You should have kept you where you belong.
No matter how many gods fall, there will always be another to stand against you.
They will fall as well.
Death of Olympus means the death of us all.
Then prepare for your death, Poseidon.
God of Olympus.
A true warrior does not hide.
Pump it. Suck TM.
matter how many gods fall, there will always be another to stand against you.
They will fall as well.
Death of Olympus means the death of us all.
Then prepare for your death, Poseidon. You challenge me, mortal? The god of Olympus? You have disrespected the gods for the last time, Kratos. There will be nothing of you in my A true warrior does not hide! Leave the sea and face me! For the greatness of Olympus!
I don't think this is actually who made it, but it's Mortal by Agent. Just restarted on its own. Play it again. We didn't get the pump we wanted. Maybe just needs to be played again. One.
Zeus should have kept you where you belong. No matter how many gods fall, there will always be another to stand against you.
They
Miss
will
Team
fall
Crypto
as well.
changed her name to Dandy.
This means the death of us all.
Then prepare for your death, Poseidon.
I love it. I love it. I love it. Subscribe to the beautiful little mama. Formerly Miss Team Crypto.
True warrior does not hide!
Yeah, 14.5K. Can you give it a What up, Kevin? David.
Greatness of Olympus!
Lee. What's up, Lee?
Zeus should have kept you where you belong. No matter how many gods
From
fall,
the bench.
there will always be another to stand against you.
They will fall as well.
Perhaps I should have turned down the
Death
audio.
of us all.
Then prepare for your death, Poseidon.
Reshill. Challenge me, Lord. Good. It just froze. Have you disrespected the gods for the last time? I guess my audio was down. Really quick, what I was saying. The beautiful Randy Harper, Little Mama, maybe formerly, I don't know, I want to make assumptions, formerly Miss Teen Crypto, rebranding to Randy Harper. She's at 14.5K. Get her to 15K, boys. She is an angel. And play tunes. I should just DJ. Hipper. I'm sorry. That's what I meant. I have an accent. Where I'm from, we say hipper. It's Harper. Hipper. I'm just gonna DJ. I got the next one. Pump my coin. Pump. 47. Yes. All right, next song. We can put that one back on then. I think this is the one I think it is. Another old school Tom Crown Pump song. Is this it? Crocodile. So far, I'm digging it. I don't think this is it, but I like it. It's jamming. I like it. I found it. Bitches. That was pretty good as a song, actually. I like that. That was not the song I was looking for, but I just let it roll because it's pretty good. It's actually Crocodile by Horseman. Yeah. Here we go. I didn't want to... enjoy it. Crocodile number 2. There's the wolves. Hey, just kidding. Bow. Crocodile. Let's go.
Just kidding.
Welcome to Tom Crown's Bitcoin Pump DJ Party Live, where the wubs and the dubs, pumps and the dumps. Coming up next is another Tom Crown Pump classic, coming in hot from Nervo. A little lighter, a little more melodic. Smash that mother truck and like and subscribe. The dance party's just starting. Bitcoin's pumping. So lava. A classic, an oldie but a goodie. I'm having fun just DJing. I've been going through the list of this like giant playlist of music we used to have, pulling out the bangers. Not our normal stream, but I do appreciate everyone tuning in. Make sure you're still subscribing, liking, pumping up the stream. Taking a look at some other charts here, but I'm bringing up the next banger. We're taking the tone. I'm trying to mold the energy. I'm gonna go for something a little bit different before we get back in the jams.
You can find me in LA. Clap. 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 You can find me in LA. Welcome to LA, my city, we winning. I'm getting high as the ceiling. Tall boys, they be the illest. I got bees in the trap, and I squeeze on the rap. Get a team on the move, and I'm just whipping in crews. Oh, you know that I'm vicious. Just keep taking them pictures. I'm a star in the making, and they just want to be with us. This that west side, that best coast. You played out like Velcro. I'm classic like shell toes from palm trees and beggars. L, A, L, A, L. You can find me in LA. Clap. 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 You can find me in LA.
Hope you guys are enjoying this. If you're not, I don't know. Too bad. Too bad, because I am. We should just play these songs all the time. Next up, Jesky. I am Pharaoh. Pretty sure this is a song. I think it is. I love these old songs. What's up, Mohid Minsar Alam, RS Trader, Tevin, Joseph, David, Kariuki, Lee, with the $10 super chat. Appreciate you, man. Jesus and Bitcoin pumping together. Somehow I knew you'd say that. David Gang, Deepak Sharma, Flezg, $5 super chat. Cool how we're back to March 2022. Market cap highs, whereas the price is slightly below that. Guess it's because more Bitcoin have been mined. That is exactly correct, my friend, if you're still here. Exactly it. Actually, it's cool you thought of that. I have also pondered charting just Bitcoin market cap. It's a cool idea. It just doesn't vary by much because the distribution is so slow that it just doesn't give you anything too interesting. But you are correct. Right on. What's up, TMBR, Shiron Sim, Kyle subscribed. Pest Killers, I missed your $5 dues. I hope you can look at XRP. You know I hate it. I hate things more than XRP, don't worry. I'll pull up XRP. I'm not done playing these jams, though. I'm going right down memory lane with these jams. Up next, provided by Symphonic Distribution. Get it, girl. This is a good song. I can't believe some of these songs we've listened to have like 200 views on YouTube. Wild. Long filled. This trade looks good. Let's go. Uh-oh. Remix. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Subscribe. Should have known better. Should have known better. Ihaj Ibrahim. Sorry if I butchered that. Welcome, fam. Thanks for subscribing. Shout out to you. This is our second stream. We've just been kind of raving and dancing. I should have known better. I was sitting here wondering, like, it's all kind of off. It keeps getting like not quite to where I think it's gonna go. Right, they're about the same kind of distance off there. Should have known. Should have known. We closed that 4 hour at 47,000. I'm looking for a flat top pattern to paint out from there with higher lows, and I'm looking for 48K, baby, rock and roll. Absolutely. Here's the thing. Should have known better. Typically, when we see a move up like this and we have a new 4 hour candle spawn, right, start, we're 20 minutes in. Typically, what we get, whether it's to the upside or downside, we have a big move, new candle, you just get nothing for a while. I call it like an indecision candle. It just sits there. Whether it wants to continue to the upside or retrace, doesn't usually give us any kind of inclination. And that's what I see going on right now. 47 or 30, yeah, 47, man. These numbers are changing so fast. 47 is the number to beat. That is where we are seeing this flat top paint out. Our lows are coming up, so I'm not worried about it. This pattern is going. It's going. I'm trying to find any of those beats that I missed that I really, really used to love. I don't want to unlock more features. I just want to play the song. This one I really like. There we go. There we go. It hit. I think this is the song. All right. This is a classic too. I'm trying to hold out. This is our second live. I'm a little beat. I love that you guys are here, raving along, bubbing along with me. That's what we do. My internet connection, something's wrong. The music keeps pausing. What's up, Nick? Welcome, Nick. My guy. Make sure you join the Discord. Make sure you subscribed to the best channel on YouTube right here, the Best Fam. Thank you. I'm a bomb. Okay. All right, trading view. Sure. Maybe I accidentally X'd out of it. I don't know. Don't think I did. Don't think I did. Go 5. I know a lot of you used to tune in when we were playing those jams all the time. Been fun DJing for you. This is our second live stream. Bitcoin up against 47K. Things are spicy as spicy gets. We are on the steps, at the gates of 48K, and it's coming, baby. It's coming. Maybe tonight. Probably not going to do a third stream today. Probably. Unless, I don't know, if we hit 50K, I'll get on, all right? 50K before midnight, we'll stream again today. I need to go do a bunch of things in real life. Been loving the vibes. We're going to be live again no matter what on Wednesday. Might be live again. Who knows? 50K tonight, we'll see. Things are looking great. I love that you guys tuned in twice today. Make sure you've joined the Discord if you're not in there. Subscribed if you're new. Sign up with Femex, the #1 crypto trading exchange in my world. And Lux Algo, the #1 indicator company ever. Period. They're great. Check them out. Links in the video description below. Make sure you're subscribed, notifications, Discord. I got it all. All right, guys, I'm done. Bitcoin's back to 47K. Watch, as soon as I end the stream, it'll go to like 50 instantly. That's just the way it goes. I'll see you in the Discord. I'll be in there. Round out again.